Hey, do you want to learn how to create whiteboard animation videos using AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So currently I'm on instadoodle, and it's a whiteboard animation app. You can create whiteboard animations using this tool. I have a link in the description. You can go through that. And if you buy any of these paid plans on this website, it's going to help me out with a small commission. So over here, what you have to do is you need to click on this plus icon, and then you can go with the manual mode, or you can go with the AI wizard. If you take the AI wizard add-on, you would be able to use it. And it's a very nice tool inside it. So I'm going to click on next. And then you need to either give an idea to make the video, or you can use these suggested ideas here. For example, I'm going to click on Life of Abraham Lincoln, or you could go with the script to video. So you can give it a title and a script. If you've got a script ready, you can just give the script here. So I'm going to click on idea to video here, and I'm going to type in this thing, Life of Abraham Lincoln, and then click on generate script. It's going to start the script generation process. And there you go. It has created our script, and you can see the script looks great. All right, now next, we're going to click on this next button, which is going to start our slide creation process. All right, our slides are ready. It has the script voiceover over here and the image prompt that you can see here. So the image prompt is basically, it's going to generate with AI. So the doodles, it's going to generate the doodles with AI. So for that, it's going to need this image prompt. You can edit it if you want. So for example, you can change the books, or with a fireplace, you can change that to something else. So then it's going to make a doodle with that format that you've put in. All right, this is all the slides with the text over here and the image prompt. You can delete these slides. So if you do not want it, you can just delete it by clicking on this bin icon over here. All right, once done, you can see that this is slide till slide 9. Let's click on the next button. Now you need to select the project type. You can go for Instagram story, Instagram post, feed, and square if you want to make an ad. So this is very useful if you want to make whiteboard animation videos for your products to market them. So yeah, let's go for presentation mode, which is 16:9. And here you can see that this is business template and goes all the way up to here, which is Valentine's Day. So if you're making a whiteboard animation for Valentine's, you can use this one. All right, let's go for business here, and let's click on next. Now here you can create voiceover. So you can use the AI voiceover from here, or you can disable it as well if you do not want to use the AI voiceover. All right, let's use these AI voiceovers. I've made a full tutorial on it on the right hand side. There will be a full tutorial on instadoodle, so you can check it out as well. Over here, I'm going to click on one of these to give you a preview of the AI voices.
Hello, I'm Delilah. With my voice, your voiceover can be both powerful.
All right, so I think out of these, I like Zachary and Douglas. I like both of these AI voices, and Bella. So you can take a look at this one as well.
Hi, I'm Bella. Can you picture it?
And let's take a look at the Douglas AI voice
Hello,
as well.
I'm Douglas. Can you hear that?
All right, let's go for Douglas, and let's click on create project. And it's going to start creating the project for us. It's going to take like a minute to create this, but I'm going to show you why it does it that fast, because it's only going to make the first slide and not all the slides. It's going to generate them, but it's going to take like 2 seconds for generating all the other slides. So like each slide is going to take 2 seconds. So like here, I'm going to show you once it loads. So you can see on the bottom, this is the first slide, but all of these has this time icon on it, which basically means that it's currently generating. So in just a few seconds, you're going to find this second slide is going to generate. Like you can see here, it generated. Now you can see the whole thing. So this is our business template. So we have got this character that's generated with AI. And you can see in the first one, this is generated with AI as well. This part and probably this as well. You can move it around. And if you want to rotate it, you can click here on the top, this like small button. You can click on it and rotate it. And if you want to like increase or decrease the size of this element, you can click on these corners and reduce it like this. So click and hold, drag up and down to do it. All right, so you can see these slides are currently creating. And if I click on this first slide, and I can see the properties on here. So I need to click on this first slide again. And then on the right hand side, you can see the properties. So I'm going to click on this slide 1, and you can see our voiceover has been created. So I can download the voiceover from here, or I can delete it. So let's take a look at this voiceover. So I'm going to click on play.
Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, was born on February 12th.
All right, so now you can increase the volume if you want. You can increase the volume from 100% upwards. And if you want to decrease it, I would prefer going below 20%, because if I try to make it 50%, I don't see the volume being decreased. If I make it 20%, I see the volume being a lot lower. All right. Now, if you want to upload your own voiceover, let's say you want to use 11 Labs, there's a link in the description you can get from there as well. If you want to go with 11 Labs and you clone your voice, you can do that. So go over there on 11 Labs, and I've made a video on how to clone your voice on 11 Labs. You can check it out. So just take the MP3 from there, export it, and upload on here. Now, if you're wondering, do Instadoodle have AI voice clone capability as well? No, they don't have it. You need to use their AI voices, which is available as an add-on, or you could upload a voiceover. Like I said before, you can upload from 11 Labs for a much high quality voiceover. So yeah, let's click on generate voiceover. This is an add-on as well. So if you want to use the AI voices, you can use it, and it's going to be with an add-on. Once you do that, you can generate the manual voiceovers with it, but then again, there's no voice clone capability in it. You can trim the voice from here, the voiceover, you can trim it, and you should select sync slide with voice. You should select it, because then on the slide duration, you can see that it's 18.5 seconds. If I make it sync slide with voice, let's trim it a bit. And you can see on the slide duration, it changes. So it's now 13.8 seconds because I trimmed the slide to like 12.4 seconds. That's why. All right. You can see the transition type on the top. You can change it from here. It's going to just transition from slide 1 to slide 2. And between it, if you make it from fade to wipe, it's going to have a wipe animation. That's what it is. And on the left-hand side, you can see the custom. So these are all the generations, the AI generated doodles that it's created. And it's going to be here. You can generate with AI. And you can see on the right-hand side, you can generate with AI. So you can generate a background or element. If you want to generate colored doodles, you need to get the color splash add-on as well with it. And you just need to type in the prompt here and click on generate, and it's going to make it. You can see here, I've made these generations on it. And if you want to like edit one of these, you can click here and then you can edit it. So you can see here that it's currently processing. And now you can do a free draw. So I can do like this, I can do a line draw like that. And yeah, this way. There's fill, you can do a fill here, Control Z, because I don't like that. You can do an automatic background removal as well and change the color, etc. I'm going to close it. You can add it to your custom library from here. Now, once done, you've got this. I can click on it to add to our scene like that. Yeah, that's it. Now I can click on delete to delete it. There's text, there's characters in it, so you can add characters. There's props, so if you want to add like an arrow or something, you can do that. There's characters, like I said before. If you want to just get the colored characters, you can click here on filter, which is going to basically make it so that you get all the colored characters that there are in Instadoodle. Now, if I click on it, I will not be able to use it. I need to pay for it. I don't have that add-on. And there is text. So I can use the text from here. I can add text. It works like Canva. So I can click here to add it. I can increase the text from here. And on the right hand side, you can see the properties of it. So I can change the font and font size and a lot more. All right. Next up, we've got layers on the left hand side. It's a very simple process. If you want, you can move it around like that. And I've explained it more in my full tutorial. You can check it out at the end. On the right hand side, you can see the project. You can change the soundtrack, select from the library. You do need the AI voices for it. Upload the soundtrack from here. If you just got a soundtrack from somewhere like Epidemic Sound, you can upload it here. There's hands. You can change the hands. The hand that comes in to draw, you can change that. So there's a witch hand. I really like that. You can change that. Or if you're in December, so you're making an doodle video for Christmas, you can use the Santa hand as well. All right, so this was it for this one. You've got the dashboard here. You can go back to dashboard, change the project title, save it, export it. You can export, you need to render it first, then you can play it and download it. Yeah, I've got 141 credits. And each time I generate something, I think it takes like 2 or 3 credits to generate these for a video. Like this project took two or 3 credits, in my opinion. Now you can go back by clicking on dashboard here. And if you want to delete something, like delete your project, you can click here and you can delete it or resize and duplicate. So you can make it an Instagram story and you can resize it. Yeah, that's it. Then you can edit, export, and rename and a lot more. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can create whiteboard animations with AI using this tool called instadoodle. And I've got a link in the description. You can go through it and it's going to give you a lifetime deal to this tool. And then of course you need to pay for the add-ons. If you want to use the AI Wizard or the Pro, you need to get the add-ons for it. But it's much better than getting the monthly plan, which is very expensive in Buy Now page. Yeah, it's okay. It's 47 and 67. And there's this agency plan. If you get it, you get everything for free. All the future updates and everything, you'll get it for free. This is useful if you're an agency and you make videos for your clients. You can use the agency plan. It's $127 per month. For both of these, you should get the lifetime deal in the description. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can see more instadoodle and other tech related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.